Hello, my dear students. This is Rajesh Kumar, PGT Geography, KV number 1, Jammu, and I am going to lecture on class 7, Social Science. The chapter that we are going to discuss today is role of the government in the health. So, dear students, first of all, we should know about the health. Health means the ability to remain disease free. In broader sense, in meaning having clean drinking water, better sanitation, pollution free surroundings, stress free life, etc. Means what is health? Health means the ability to remain disease free life is called health. And here we are talking about the role of the government in the health. In a democratic country, the government has to work for the welfare of the people. They have to make provisions for health, education, employment, etc. Okay, we need proper health care facilities to maintain good health. Health care facilities include health centers, hospitals, and laboratories for testing, ambulance services, blood bank, etc. We need health care workers, nurse, qualified doctors, medicines, and equipments, etc. We have ample qualified doctors. We are fourth largest producer of medicines in the world. India is a center of medical tourism. Later we will discuss about the medical tourism. Actually, in short, we can say people come to treatment at lower cost in our country. It is called medical tourism. Healthcare facilities can be classified into two categories. There are, number one is public facility and number second is private facilities or private healthcare facilities. Public healthcare services are run by the government. It is found in both rural and urban areas. Villages have health centers with a nurse dealing in common illness, district hospital and city. Hospital services are provided either free or at very low cost. Government take decisions to prevent spread of epidemics like COVID-19. Okay, it is a warning issue and latest example of the epidemic disease. And you can include in it tuberculosis, jaundice, cholera, etc. Private healthcare facilities exist in our country. RMP are found in rural areas. In urban areas, there are large number of doctors, clinics, hospitals, etc. People have to spend a lot of money to get treatment in private facilities. Adequate health care is not available to all. About 20% of population can afford proper health care facilities and remain 80% of the population of this country are unable to attain or get proper health care facilities. For poor, illness is a curse when women and tribal health care suffers a lot. Okay, women and tribal communities are unable to attend or get the proper health care facilities. Costa Rica, we talked in the voice lecture, is a healthcare country of the world. They have curtailed expense on the army and use it on health. एक्चुअली कोस्टा रिका जो कि एक लैटिन अमेरिकन कंट्री है, वहाँ पर आर्मी के ऊपर खर्च नहीं किया जाता और आर्मी वहाँ है भी नहीं. वहाँ ज़्यादातर जो खर्चा होता है गवर्नमेंट का वो हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज़ पर होता है. सो वी डिस्कस ऑलरेडी अबाउट दिस. Actually, we talked already public facilities, an activity or service that is meant for the all people in country and it mainly organized by the government like school, hospitals, telephone service, etc. And private activities governed or organized by the individual people or the company, their own profit. Now, the very most important term which is we are going to discuss, medical tourism. This refers to foreigners who come to another country especially for medical treatment, and hospitals that offer world class facilities at a lower cost than what they would have to pay in their own countries. Communicable disease. These are diseases that spread from one person to another in many ways, such as through water, food, air, etc. OPD, outpatient department. We already talked in the boys lecture. Health means our ability to remain free from illness and injuries. We talked already. PHC stand for public healthcare centers. Okay, so these are the main terms and terminologies from the chapter healthcare facilities. Now in this chapter you have read the health in a wider concept than illness. Look at this quote from the Constitution and explain the terms living standard and the public health in your own work. An important part of the Constitution says it is the duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standards of living and to improve public health. Actually, living standard refer to the level of the wealth, comfort, material goods and necessities available to a certain socio-economic class in a certain geographical area. Usually in a country it is closely related to the quality of life. In well constructed urban areas, standard of living is for better than undeveloped rural areas. Clean, pollution free surrounding lead to good living standard, where areas living in a region of dirty, poor sanitation and dusty lands lend to poor living standard. Public health is the science and art of preventing disease, prolonging life and promoting human health through organized effort. It also refers to the wellness of all people, irrespective of caste, religion, gender, or economic status, to remain healthy and free from any disease. Right to life is everyone's right without any discrimination. That is why the health care is public, and every individual is entitled to health care provided by the government. Now, next question is very important for the point of view of the exam. What are the different ways which the government can take a step to provide health care for all? Discuss. It is very important question. The different ways through which the government can take steps to provide health care for all. It is the primary duty of the government to ensure the welfare of the people and provide health care to all. The government could increase the number of the hospitals or medical vans in rural and the remote areas for better access to health care facilities. Sanitation facilities, proper drainage system could be improved. Okay, with the help of different agencies, the government could provide efficient refer for clean and safe drinking water. Proper garbage dumps and disposal bags should be provided and maintained. Through different campaigns and education program, people should be made aware of different health problems. For example, people are made aware of the disease such as diarrhea and dysentery due to poor hygiene through advertisement. Special treatment must be there for women who are a vital part of our country. Medicines should be available either at free cost or at very low cost in the dispensaries and the government hospitals. You can observe it. The at the lower cost of medicines are available in the government hospitals and treat very well to the people. Every proper even proper toilets and washrooms should be provided and maintained at every corner of the city or the rural areas. Government works for that. In present time, the government should safeguard to right a life of every person. It is the government's duty to provide necessary health services, including treatment in the agency situations. Clean water and pollution-free environment should be provided by the government. The government should take action to prevent the spread of the disease like TB, malaria, jaundice, cholera, diarrhea, and the COVID-19 in present time. So these are some of the way for the improvement of the public health, which is implemented properly could definitely bring a positive change in our society. Okay, now very important question we are going to discuss, that is, what differences do you find between private and the public health services in areas? Use the following table to compare and contrast these. Number one is we can take facility. Actually, cost of service expensive, availability of service. These services is easily available as private health center use modern. In the private, हाई कॉस्ट. ओके, प्राइवेट में कॉस्ट कैसी होती है? हाई. जबकि जो पब्लिक हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज़ होती हैं वहाँ पर किस तरह की होती हैं? लो कॉस्ट होती हैं, चीप होती हैं. ओके, तो प्राइवेट में जो भी फैसिलिटीज़ होती हैं वो हाई कॉस्ट होती हैं. एडवांस टेक्निक, दे आर ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी क्राउडेड, दे आर मोर अकाउंटेबल टू द पेशेंट. एंड पब्लिक ये लोअर कॉस्ट होता है. It is difficult to avail proper service as there is a lack of equipment. The public health centers are very crowded and service is very low and insufficient. Okay, so we discussed about the healthcare facilities, private facilities and the public facilities. Medical tourism we already discussed. Communicable disease, OPD, health, PSC we discussed. Okay, so this chapter actually mainly focused on the healthcare facilities towards its people. Okay, now next question is also a very important, which is, what problems did Aman face? Earlier we already talked and discussed about the Aman's story. What problem did Aman face in the public hospital? How do you think the hospital can work in a better manner? Discuss. Problem faced by Aman: non-availability of doctor, junk and non-operational equipment, non-availability of medicine, crowded, indifference of the doctor, and proper and strict administration can get the hospital work in the better manner. Okay, why did Ranjan have to spend so much money? Give reason. We already talked about the Ranjan and Aman's story. Ranjan had to spend so much money because of the following reason. He took treatment at private nursing home. He had to purchase medicine from open market. He spent money on consultation, test, etc. So we already discussed about both of these stories, Ranjan and Aman. Okay, now next question is also very important. Why should we pay taxes to government? सरकार को हमें टैक्स क्यों देना चाहिए? The tax money paid to government is used for providing public service for all citizens. Service like defense, police, judiciary, highways, etc. Developmental program like education, health care, employment, social welfare, etc. Vocational training for needy persons, rehabilitation after natural disaster, space, nuclear or missile programs, service to poor by subsidies on basic amenities. Okay, so we discuss a lot of things from this chapter. Okay, so learner, now you are able to understand what is the role of the government in our health. We talked in the simple way what is health, healthcare facilities. India is a fourth largest producer of the medicine, government hospital, private hospitals. Okay, so now you are able to understand about the healthcare facilities which is provided by the government and the public agencies. So thank you so much for watching and learning my video, and it will help to you understand about the government role in the health facilities. Thank you so much.